Esther spent 6 months with Shemen Hamor in the second parak. So, what is Shemen Hamor? The Rambam in Klei HaMikdash, in Vessels of the Beis HaMikdash, right at the beginning, when describing the Ketores, the incense, and he mentions the mar, the Rambam says mar is dried blood from an Indian animal, Shabachaya Shabahodo, a Hindu animal who is known to all, that once it's dried, people are able to use it as a fragrance all over the place. And then he says cinnamon is from India. There are a lot of Indian things there, but the Likutei Torah says how interesting it is that Esther is the one who triggers a v'nahafohu. Everything is going to be flipped. Haman is going to fall. Mordechai will go up. The Jews are going to rule. Purim is a time of v'nahafohu. So it makes sense that the one who is going to trigger the v'nahafohu is anointed or trained in the use of Shemen Hamor, this oil which begins with blood and then is turned into something beautiful. And it's very nice. But again, if it's in Torah, it means it has to be something that we can use. There's no such thing as something in Torah that we can't use. So what does it mean? I think it means that in order for someone to have the capacity to trigger a v'nahafohu, to flip things, that when things look terrible, to turn it into something good, it has to be someone who has mastered being able to take deep, dark, difficult, and challenging situations and transform them into something good. Someone who's able to take the worst things and somehow flip them, not just say, oh, Baruch Hashem, not just say Gamza L'Tova, but literally to find a way to make lemonade out of lemons, so to speak. No, and not to belittle it. One who has this capacity is the one who can trigger a v'nahafohu for many.